don't like this stuff?
No.
Nothing? You like that baby?
No.
Do you like this boy stuff?
Yes. And this Bubba.
Oh, okay. You like that?
Yes. Oh, I already got that.
Oh, do you like this Barbie?
No. I like this.
Oh, you like cars.
I like cars.
Oh.
I like truck.
Oh, you like trucks. Oh, that's cute, Barbie doll. You like that?
No. I like this.
Oh, you like the boy
I hope
stuff.
I'm taping it.
Okay, cool. Good job. Let me see if I can find any cute stuff in here. You like the Barbie house?
No.
You want this for Christmas?
No.
No?
No.
You want the boy stuff?
Yes.
Okay, cool. You like that?
Yes.
Cool. You like that?
Yes.
That's nice. Let me see, do you like... You like cooking stuff? Doll houses?
Yes.
You like that?
Yes.
You like playing with babies?
You know what that?
Nina want that?
Yeah.
Oh, you like that dress. That's cute.
Yes. That's cute.
That's cute for you?
No. I want this.
Okay, you want the basketball hoop?
Go back to the...
What about a Miss Cabbage Patch?
No.